and 8 minus 3 is 5. 1, 2, 3. Now expand along the first row. X cube 0, 0, 1 into 3, 7, 2, 5. So x cube 5 into 3, 15, minus 7 into 2, 14. 15 minus 14 is 1, so 1 into x cube, that is x cube. So this is what we want to prove. Now next one is, next question, question number 29. Write down the statement of next question. Question number 29. Show that determinant of 1, 2, 3, 1 plus p, 3 plus 2p, 6 plus 3p, 1 plus p plus q, 1 plus 3p plus 2q, 1 plus 6p plus 3q is equals to 1. Determinant of this is equals to 1. Now operate C2 as C2 minus p C1 and C3 as C3 minus q C1. C1 remains same, 1, 2, 3. C2 minus p C1. 1 into p, p. 1 plus p and minus p. 3 plus 2p multiplied by 2. 6 plus 3p minus 3p. Now C3 minus q C1. 1 into q, 2 into q and 3 into q. So we have left with 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 6, 1 plus p, 1 plus 3p and 1 plus 6p. Now apply operation C3 as C3 minus p C2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 6, 1 plus p minus p, 1 plus 3p minus 3p, 1 plus 6p minus 6p. So we have left with 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 6, 1, 1 and 1. 1, 1 and 1. Now operate C1 as C1 minus C3 and C2 as C2 minus C3. 1 minus 1, 0, 2 minus 1, 3 minus 1. 1 minus 1, 3 minus 1, 6 minus 5, C3 will remain same. Now expand along the first row, 0 minus 0 plus 1, 1, 2, 2, 5. 5 into 1 minus 2 into 2, 4, 5 minus 4 is 1. So that is what we want to prove. Now the next one is question number 30. Write down the statement. show that determinant of a, 2a, 3a, a plus b, 3a plus 2b, 6a plus 3b, a plus b plus c, 4a plus 3b plus 2c, 10a plus 6b plus 3c is equals to a cube. Show that determinant of a, 2a, 3a, a plus b, 3a plus 2b, 6a plus 3b, a plus b plus c, 4a plus 3b plus 2c, 10a plus 6b plus 3c is equals to a cube. Now take a common from first column, a plus b, 3a plus 2b, 6a plus 3b, a plus b plus c, 4a plus 3b plus 2c, 10a plus 6b plus 3c. Now operate C2 as C2 minus b C1 and C3 as C3 minus c C1. Now a is common, 1, 2, 3, C2 minus b C1, 1 into b, 2 into b, 3 into b. So 3a plus 2b minus 2b, 6a plus 3b minus 3b. Now operate C3 as C3 minus c, a plus b plus c, 1 into c, 4a plus 3b plus 2c, 2 into c, 10a plus 6b plus 3c minus 3 into c. So we have left with a into 1, 2, 3, a, 3a, 6a, a plus b, 4a plus 3b, 10a plus 6b. Now take a common from the column C2, from the second column. So a into a is a square, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 6, a plus b, 4a plus 3b, 10a plus 6b. Now operate C3 as C3 minus b C2. So a square, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 6, a plus b, 4a plus 3b, 10a plus 6b minus b into C2, b into 1, 3 into b, 6 into b. So terms of b will get cancelled here. So a square, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 6, a, 4a, 10a. Now take a common from the column third. So a cube, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 6, 1, 4, 10. Now operate C1 as C1 minus C2 and C1 as C1 minus C3 and C2 as C2 minus C3. So a cube, C1 minus C3, 1 minus 1, 0, 2 minus 4, 3 minus 10. C2 minus C3, 1 minus 1, 3 minus 4, 6 minus 10, 1, 4 and 10. Now operate along the first row. What will we get here? A cube, 0 minus 0 plus 1 into minus 4 minus 7 minus 1 minus 4. So it is a cube minus 4 into minus 4, 4 into 4, 16, minus minus plus minus 2 minus 4 is minus 2 here. 4 into 2 is 8, 7 into 1 is 7. 8 minus 7 is 1, so a cube. Note it down. Now the next one is the next question. Write down the statement of next one. Show that determinant of b plus c, q plus r, y plus z, c plus a plus b, r plus p, p plus q, z plus x, x plus y is equals to 2 times determinant of ABC, PQR, XY, Z. Now R1, R2 and R3 has different terms. Here we have terms of ABC, PQR and XYZ. So apply the operation C1 as C1 plus C2 plus C3. B plus C plus C plus A plus A plus B. It becomes 2 times A plus B plus C, 2 times P plus Q plus R, 2 times X plus Y plus Z. C1, C2, R, C plus A, R plus P, Z plus X, A plus B, P plus Q and X plus Y. Now take 2 common from the column first. C1 take 2 common. So 2 is common. So now operate C2 as C2 minus C1, C3 as C3 minus C1, C2 as C2 minus C1 and C3 as C3 minus C1. First is A plus B plus C, P plus Q plus R, X plus Y plus Z. C plus A, here we have left with minus B, P plus R, so minus Q, X plus Z, so minus Y. In this step, A plus B minus C, P plus Q will cancel, X plus Y will get cancelled. Take negative common from C2 and C3, so minus minus plus. So 2 into A plus B plus C, P plus Q plus R, X plus Y plus Z, B, Q, Y, C, R, Z. Now operate C1 as C1 minus C2 minus C3. Minus B minus C, here we have left with P and X, B, Q, Y, C, R, Z. This is what we want to prove. Now the next one is question number 32. Prove that 1 plus A 1 1 1 1 plus B 1 1 1 plus C is equals to ABC 1 plus 1 upon A plus 1 upon B plus 1 upon C is equals to ABC plus BC plus CA plus AB. Take ABC common from C1, C2 and C3. By taking A common from C1, it becomes 1 upon A plus 1, 1 upon A, 1 upon A. B common, 1 upon B plus 1, 1 upon B. C common, 1 upon C, 1 upon C plus 1. Now in the next step, apply the operation C1 as C1 plus C2 plus C3, ABC, 1 upon A plus 1 upon B plus 1 upon C plus 1. One upon B plus 1 upon B, 1 upon C, 1 upon C, 1 upon C plus 1. Now take this common, so it becomes ABC 1 plus 1 upon A plus 1 upon B plus 1 upon C, 1 1 1 1 upon B, 1 upon B plus 1, 1 upon B, 1 upon C, 1 upon C, 1 upon C plus 1. Now apply the operation R2 as R2 minus R1 and R3 as R3 minus R1. So ABC 1 plus 1 upon A plus 1 upon B plus 1 upon C. 1 1 upon B 1 upon C. R2 minus R1 1 minus 1. 1 upon B will get cancelled. 1 upon C. 1 upon B minus 1 upon B. Here we have left with 1. Now expand it along the first column. What we will get? 1 0 0 1. Other two terms will be 0. 1 into 1 minus 0 into 0, so 1. So ABC 1 upon A plus 1 upon B plus 1 upon C. So that is equals to ABC 1 plus 1 upon A plus 1 upon B plus 1 upon C. In the next step, take the LCM. ABC, A is there but not BC, B, CA, C, so AB. It will get cancelled, so that is equals to ABC plus BC plus CA plus AB. Note it down. Now the next one is question number 33. Write down the statement. If A, B, C are the roots of equation, this, then find the value of determinant. This. We have solved this determinant here in the previous question. So we get the value as, value of this determinant is ABC plus BC plus CA plus AB. Now this is a cubic. Equate with the general cubic. AX cube plus BX square plus CX plus D. Since AB, C are the root of this equation, so the sum of roots A, B and C are the root of equation. Let अल्फा बीटा गामा अगर इसके रूट्स हैं इक्वेशन के, जनरल इक्वेशन के, this is the general equation of cubic. Alpha beta gamma root of equation, then alpha beta gamma, then sum of roots is equals to minus b upon a, product of roots is equals to minus d upon a, and product of roots taken 2 at a time, that is equals to c upon a. Now equate this equation. A, B, C are the roots of equation. So a plus b plus c minus b upon a, x square की टर्म हमारे पास यहाँ पे नहीं है, so 0. Product of roots taken 3 at a time is minus d upon a. D is q here and a is 1. So ABC has value minus q. Product of roots taken 2 at a time. AB plus BC plus CA